Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text on an image in WordPress Elementor. Now I'm here on Elementor and I will add some container where we will try to add the image now. So first of all, you want to go ahead and click right there. And let's just choose as I chose the container. Now you want to go ahead and click on Style and Background Type Classic. And click on this plus sign and choose the media library or upload files. I'm just going to choose a free image. So for example, this one. And now, as you can see just the top of the image. So we want to fix that. Let's now go ahead to the advanced settings right there. And we want to go ahead and increase the padding as much as we want, just like so. Now, as you can see, everything changes. And for example, I'm just going to leave it to 200, maybe. Let's make it to 200, just like so. Now, I also want to change the position of the image. So we go ahead to the style again, and you see the position here. So I'm just going to do center, center, or bottom center. And now we will see more of this grass. And to add that's basically it about the image. Now to add text, you want to add it here. So now let's go ahead. And now to add an image and add a text on an image, you want to go ahead to this Elementor tools, and on the basic, you want to choose a heading, drag it right there. And now you want to edit the text. Make it, of course, to the center, maybe. Alignment. And change the text to the one you like. You can change the typography, text stroke, text shadow. You can add it actually. Something like so. And also there are some advanced settings. You can change the position, add some motion effects, add the background if you want, as you can see. Or you can just leave it to the one which it was. But basically, that's it, guys. That's how you add a text on an image. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.